Make a great choice today with the 2018 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, cruise control, trip odometer, power windows, fog lights, compass, power brakes, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.